Okay, came out to Lake Decker today. Took a break from fishing over Christmas, New Year's. Just got back from Mexico last night. And I was not planning on coming out today, but I looked at the weather and I was like, man, it's the last nice day we're going to have, relatively nice day we're going to have in a long time. So I was like, even though I'm tired, I want to get a day in. So this is going to be a short trip. As you can see, I got everything down. The lake's down about 6 feet, I'm going to guess. So it's going to be like fishing a whole new lake, like places that I used to, you know, kind of know where there's some deep holes and stuff. Those will all be different now, right? So I think probably going to start out fishing over by the dam. Try that for a bit, and then the wind's supposed to pick up and it's supposed to get crazy windy later this afternoon, which will probably be gone by then, but we can go get a windbreak over on this other shore, so we'll probably try that a little bit later. We'll see how it goes. Alright, I want to start with this little fly. It always does well here. It's got some weight on it to get it down. It is 8 feet deep right here, and this drops off a lot faster than I thought, because it's like 30 feet, just like right there, 50 feet where that duck is. So I didn't realize this dam dropped off that fast. Okay, and the rain I was watching has now arrived. It looks like it's just going to be short and light, and then it looks like it might get sunny on the other side, so I think we're going to gut it out. Okay, it is 8 feet deep right here. Got him. Oh, finally we got one. Ooh. He's a little guy, but we finally got one on. Ooh, and that was like in 2 feet of water. Ooh, thank you. Oh, he's cold. There you go, first blood. Nice little bass. Thank you. Alright, let's do this one more toss. Ooh. Only 7 feet deep right here. Alright. Okay, well, the wind picked up. We went from a nice, comfortable breeze to 15 mile an hour winds. And that anchor is not going to hold me. Alright, I'm going to call it a day. And we only got the one small one. I really thought we were going to do well. We talked to one guy who got 10, but he was here at 7 o'clock in the morning, and he caught all his early. By about the time I got here, he was leaving, and he was like, yeah, it kind of shut off. So I don't know if it was like this front that's moving in that kind of just shut everything down, or what, but yeah, they were biting. I did not get them though. So anyway, beautiful day. Man, the sun's out. It's got to be close to 70 degrees. Wish the fishing was better. Can't wait to come back and try it again. Till next time. Man, I feel like I'm on the ocean. Oh, that's so cool.